We are at Sloss Furnace doing a video of a spirit box session. They seem to like Jeremy, so I'm going to let him do it. And I'm going to film with his phone, which is why this video is significantly in better definition than the other ones. There's supposed to be some men who were mysteriously thrown into these water towers out here, so I wanted to do it here. The mystery behind it all. Not knowing who they were even. They're literally buried in unmarked graves in Birmingham. Here in Birmingham. I work. I wonder if it's someone who worked here then. They said everyone was present and accounted for, but good God, it was so long ago. You know what I mean? As far as efficiently counting heads.
And a lot of this is just echoes. It's not really intelligent speaking.
It's like echoes of the past, basically.
Yeah. Sounds.
What do you think the coworkers or the workers would say? Is there anyone here that would like to speak with us? No?
Yeah, I heard a hi.
Hi.
Hey, from very middle-aged Southern men.
Sounds about right. This is Birmingham, Alabama.
Yep.
I freaking love your phone. It takes such good video. Actually, I want to film in MacArthur with this. Pretty much disregard any female voices you hear.
That's a little sexist.
I mean, I'm just saying, mostly only men work here. Jeremy. Somebody said sober. Or it's over. Sober or it's over. Smile, big guy. No, Jeremy. You're not supposed to. Hear anything alarming yet? Hello?
Not many responses in general.
I mean, he did die in a water tank. They said that they literally thought it was the black guy, the way he looked when they found him. But come to find out, it was actually a white dude. He was just so, just fucked up. Really in there, huh? Yeah, fuck it. Well, I think it might have been this one. They found him in?
Thrown off the top of the building.
No, into the water tank. Like I said, he was so decomposed because of the water. They thought he was a black man, but he was actually a white man. I mean, just fucked up. And no one ever found out who he was. He's literally buried in an unmarked grave.
Did you tell us your name? They hear Jim?
Seymour?
Different voice.
What was your name?
Yeah, Seymour.
Seymour.
Jim Seymour. It wasn't his voice.
We might have a name on the guy that was found here and never knew the identity of, guys. Jim Seymour. I'll have to look him up. See if he had any affiliation with this place. James Seymour, probably. Be his full name. This water tower right here, I think, if I'm not wrong. Pretty sure it was dark, so. Because it was dark, so. Jim Seymour. Alright. What time you got, babe?